My name is Aya, and this is James, my wedded husband. If you're wondering why am I scratching in the beans and why are we wearing rags, James is the reason why we're in this situation. And this is my story. I went to Chaplin High School in Gweru, Zimbabwe. I was a top student and I always wanted to become a lawyer so that I can save justice in my country. And it happened. I graduated and everyone was so excited and they were proud of me. And then I met my good-looking husband, James. Oh, we were so much in love. We couldn't wait to get married. That was something that I always wanted to. Then we got married. We were so happy and we were planning for our future. We decided to buy a house. And then I got a job opportunity to go and work in Canada. So before I left, we bought our beautiful house. And we planned that when I come back, after 3 years, we have our first baby. I was so excited on my way to Canada thinking about my future and my husband. So I went very hard helping my husband to save money so that we can renovate our house. So I waited for 3 years and I decided to go back home. And little did I know that my husband was playing aviator. He used all the money that we saved and he lost everything, including our house, our cars, our savings. And we didn't have anywhere to go. We ended up in the streets. And this is how we ended up in the scratching in the beans. So this is what I want to speak to you about. It's not just a game. Aviator is not just a game. It's life-threatening. It destroys lives. It destroys future. Please, whatever I do, be cautious. Thank